If you're looking for a great way to stay in shape at home during any season, check out the Pacer Treadmill. Starting off, Pacer is easy to assemble. You'll have it out of the box and ready to use in 3 minutes or less. Monitor your heart rate on the hand grip or with the separate chest belt sensor to help ensure you're running at the perfect pace for achieving your exercise goals. It features a large, yet thin, white LED display, as well as convenient holders for tablets, smartphones, and water bottles. 36 preset programs give you a variety of workout types and lengths. Bluetooth speaker and connectivity and aux connection enables you to experience interactive workouts powered by popular running apps on your tablet or smartphone. Apps can control the Pacer's speed and incline to mimic outdoor running conditions. Pacer can auto incline and reach levels up to 12 degrees and speeds up to 9.9 miles per hour. 6 hybrid shock absorbers provide incredible running comfort, and Pacer's fold-up design helps you save space between workouts. Ready to build a better, fitter you? Order your Pacer Treadmill today.